have driven the bike on the off-road for almost 30 kilometers. There was no single street light or any vehicle except the vehicle. Unfortunately, we didn't record that video. But right now we have reached the Kodaikanal Guard Road and we are going to get up there within an hour. And let me see how many kilometers I have on the ride last time. Still, I have it's a budget. 545.7 kilometers. We have run from Tirupati. And right now we have reached the Ghat Road of Kodaikanal. And within 1 hour we're going to reach the top of the Kodaikanal. And we're going to explore some cheap places. And then heading back to the Moto by today or tomorrow. Don't know the exact. We haven't done it yet. But let's see what happens. So until then, enjoy the ride. The Ghat Road is almost same as like Ghat Road. So we're in our hometown. The same as Simla Ghat Road, but it doesn't have any fencing. That's it. See the monkeys over there. God damn it. Drive with safety, okay. Stay on the lane, don't change the lane. It might cause me trouble to another vehicle. On this cell phone while driving. See that? 44 kilometers to Kodaikanal. It's going around 1 hour 25 minutes from here right now. I don't know if it's something good up there, we're gonna take a room over there and stay for 1 day. And if it's not worth it, then we're gonna stay heading back to Munnar. It was 150 kilometers. But we are totally messed up right now. My back is hurting. My legs, my hands, both are hurting. I've been non-stoply riding for more than 15 hours, I guess. Yesterday we started at exactly 4:50 or 5 a.m., 5 p.m. Tirupati, and then our time is 9:24 right now. Still we are riding. Imagine how much pain I am. I have stopped the vehicle for every 100 to 120 kilometers. Took almost 5 pit stops over there in the highway, and each pit stop was about 45 to 50 minutes, so the engine needs to get cool and we take some break all the time. To be honest, we made a local over there. He was very kind and he explored very many places in India back in 2016, I guess. He traveled with the Royal Enfield 500 jacket. He showed us some pictures and said about his whole life. Pretty much like this. He really helped us about the routes and the local guys. He's a good guy, to be honest. One more question. Do you like the Ghat roads or do you like the highway? Just comment below whatever you like. For me, I like the curve. I don't know, highways are very boring while you're cruising. But whenever you get into these Ghat roads, you just get some kind of feeling like driving the bike, real bike. Like wheeling the bike overhead here. It's gonna give you some boost of energy. pretty good. Just here, getting too wide. Very safe time to get pleasure. Do not get nothing. We're gonna 42 kilometers. I don't know what's the altitude of Kodaikanal. I don't know. I think it's 1,000 feet around, I guess. From last of what I heard or what I seen, I think it's around 6,000 kilometers. But I don't know. I haven't checked this information yet. Let me do this later. Don't see the wild animal. No. Oh, whoa. What's up, bro? You have to be careful while on board without buses. Do not take the full turn. Whenever they were on a slow, they take the full turn. You have to be careful because they have blind spots. They cannot see you. See that? They cannot see you while you're coming over in front of them or while you're in the corner of them. You just have to be careful with the buses and any vehicle, especially in the dark road. If you don't look out, it's going to be pretty bad for you. So you just have to look out for yourself. The dark was too long, I guess. The Tirumala Ghat was almost less than 40 minutes, not 40 minutes, 35 minutes drive. So uphill, so downhill is going to take up to 1 hour. But the Kodaikanal Ghat was more than 1 hour. I think that's why the 42 kilometers is going to take up to 1 hour. There's no English, Telugu, English, that kind of thing. My mother tongue was Telugu. But I'm comfortable in English to do the YouTube channel or whatever when I'm conversating with the person. I'm totally comfortable in English. Don't mind me that in Telugu, why it's not speak Telugu. Just comfortable in my language, so I'm doing this in English. Sorry if I offend anyone. See the blind spots over there, cannot see you. You just have to be careful right on the road. I really got them. Oh, I was there. Oh, there's a lot of viewpoints on me. A lot of dam view. Let's stop the bike here to see the dam view. Okay, let me stop the bike here. Get the dam view for a second. This is the top view of dam view of Kodaikanal. Just stop the bike here. You see the dam over there. The view was pretty good. we're gonna go to the top of it. Guys, currently we have the Kodaikanal. I think still there's 2 kilometers up there to go to the top of it. And 2. It shows 4 kilometers to the top.